Right, welcome back to KTN News Center. This morning we head straight to the Western region, specifically Vihiga County, where the health workers have actually downed their tools to force the county government to pay them their salary for the last 8 months. But this is the twist. Now, there has been a tussle between Vihiga County government and the health workers after the county suspended all salary payment when it was found that the Public Service Commission employed 500 new health workers while the county had advertised for a position of 147 health workers. And our reporter, Willie Lusige, is on the ground just to bring us up to date with the latest information. Willie Lusige, talk to us about the health services that seems to be, at halt at the county level in the health sector.
Good morning, Brenda. Actually, Vihiga County has had a number of challenges in terms of the payment of health workers since the beginning of last year, because this was a problem that was created by the Public Service Board. The county government says it had announced that it wanted to employ 149 health workers, if I'm not wrong, but later the Public Service Board, under what they say is influence of corruption, went ahead and employed 500 health workers. This was a biggest challenge because when it came to the time of payment, the county government was not able to pay those health workers, and they have been having issues. They've had protests before. They have even gone up to court where the court has declared a number of verdicts that they'll be telling us. But today we expect them to have a protest in Mbale, where is the headquarters of Vihiga County, but definitely things did not go well. They have had to shift here to Chavakali, and they'll be telling us the reason why they have opted to shift that place from the initial venue to this one, because I think also they have had a number of other security issues. But they're here with me. Let me start with you. We'll start with your name. Maybe definitely tell us, the last time you were with you still had the same challenge. You had not been paid for around 6 months. You went to court, and then you are yet to be paid, and you're also here today.
My name is Margaret Kaguizi. I'm a health worker of Vihiga County. We are here now. The governor of Vihiga County has disobeyed the court orders. He has refused to pay us our salary. Now it's 7 months down the line. We are totally bitter. We have kids who we have to take them to school today. We can't take our kids to school because the governor has not paid us our salary. On 2nd, we went to the police station. We wanted to have a mandamano today. Alafu the OCAs, Mbale police station, Robert Owino akatuzuia, anasema hatutakuwa na maandamano. Is he the mediator of the county government of Vihiga? We want to know, Matiangi, we're asking you, Owino must go as soon as today. Owino is not the worker, or is not the worker of the county government of Vihiga. Is not the mediator in between us and the governor. He's talking on behalf of the governor. Owino Norbert must go today. He's not working for us. We don't want Owino in Mbale station today. We don't want him. I'm totally bitter with this. My kid is not at school as I'm speaking because the governor of Vihiga County has disobeyed the court orders.
And my question is, you went to court. What was the verdict of the court, and which issue had you taken to court?
The court ordered that the governor should pay us all our dues. But up to now, before Christmas, up to now, the governor has disobeyed the court orders. I'm asking, surely, if Kenoti is somewhere listening to us, we have our payroll. Our payroll is not well. It is not working.
And
tunaelewa sasa payroll yetu old staff wako 726. But the main payroll yenye inapelekwa Nairobi for people to receive salaries, it is 1,200 plus. Please, Kenoti, come down to Vihiga. We want to know why the old staff are 726 and the payroll is now 1,200. We want to know why the ghost workers in Vihiga, and yet they are refusing to pay us our money, na bado wanalipa ghost workers.
8 months.
Okay, let me speak to you, gentlemen. Last time we had the biggest issue that has been the challenge for the county government to pay you, as the way they say, they had advertised for 140 health workers, but the Public Service Board went and employed 500. There is a time that was there was a gazette notice to revoke all the 500 employments. Then later it was pulled out. What has been the situation? Are you still employed by the Vihiga government? Are you aware that maybe there was overemployment?
Okay. My name is Vincent Amadi. Okay, my name is Vincent Amadi. I'm a nurse at the Banja Health Center. Now we were employed by the county government. We were terminated through the gazette notice. Okay, we were terminated through the gazette notice, but now we went to court. And now we are working. We are still working. This is 7 months down the line. The county doesn't respect court orders. The county that doesn't want to pay us. They are complaining about the wage bill. And each day and every night, the county is sacking people. We are wondering, this wage bill, who are the people who are earning from this wage bill? Yeah.
And as we wind up now, you have gone to court. The court said you should be paid. You have not been paid. What will be the next action?
Na unajua tumekuwa na tashwishi nyingi sana na gavana wetu Wilbur Otichlo. Na nakumbuka sana tulikuwa kwenye koti na koti ikatoa oda kwamba tulipwe na turudi kazi. Na sisi kama wafanyikazi tulirudi kazi na tukaendelea na kazi kulingana na court order vile ilisema. Lakini ni jambo la kusikitisha sana, gavana Otichlo hajasikiza mambo ya koti kutulipa sisi kama ilivyosemwa tulipwe ikifikia siku ya Krismasi. Na wengi wetu tumepita Krismasi bila pesa, mwaka mpya umeanza bila pesa. Leo ni Jumatatu, wanafunzi wanafaa kwenda shuleni, hatuna pesa za kupeleka wanafunzi shuleni. Ilhali county government ilipewa court order kwamba ipatiane ama itoe mshahara yetu kulingana na venye tumefanya kazi. Jambo lingine ningependa kuongelea, our constitution, article 37 of our constitution and section 5 subsection 2 of the Public Order Act, it gives us a mandate as the public to demonstrate, to picket, and to demand for our rights. Yesterday, we went to the kwa ofisi ya OCS Mbale, and he had given us a permit earlier on, 3 days ago. But 24 hours to the eve of the material day, the OCS cancel your permit. The OCS has no authority to cancel the permit. Our authority is to notify him that we are going to demonstrate for our rights. But the OCS has gone ahead, amekuwa corrupted by Otichlo's government to deny us that chance to picket, to demonstrate peacefully over our issue. So the other day we were in the OCS office, akasema sijui ameenda kuongea na governor. I don't know what they are talking about. He is not a mediator between us and the governor. He is only supposed to give us security and not to mediate between us and the governor.
And as we wind up, maybe do you have any other channels to get your payment, and are you still working, or you have suspended all your duties?
We are going to work, but our salary is inclusive of our commuter allowance. People don't have fare to go to work, but they are just struggling to make sure they reach to their work stations. Yet we have even threats. Somebody comes from the Public Service Board, goes to a facility, tells the new employees, we are going to sack you people. Those are threats to the new employees, yet they have court orders to remain at work. Another problem, and the biggest problem we want right now, the so-called Norbert Owino or whoever must go. The OCS Mbale station, because he's going against the law. We have a right, according to the Constitution, Article 37, to demonstrate. But the governor is using him to stop all possible means that we as the public can go and demand for our rights. Orders have been there. It is not the first order the governor is disobeying. An order was given so that Honorable Ominde Francis to go back to work as the county secretary of Vihiga County. Yes. The order was disobeyed. Yes. An order was given earlier on which states that the chief of staff is an illegal office in Vihiga County. That order was disobeyed. He came back to office due to Governor Otichlo. He is the one who is conspiring to make those things happen. So what we are experiencing right now in Vihiga must be addressed, and I'm calling on Matiang'i to come and remove OCS Norbert Owino from Mbale Police Station. And I'm calling on EACC, DCIO, to come and investigate our payroll in Vihiga County, because it is a bloated payroll.
Thank you. So those are some of the comments by the workers here, the health workers in Vihiga, because they had a challenge. They are saying they have not been paid for the last 8 months. It has been an issue that has gone even to court, and the court has given out a verdict. But we have seen them complaining that the government, the county government of Vihiga has not been paying them. We'll give them also a chance to give out their comment why they have not yet been paid. Do they have any challenge that they are facing? And in our subsequent bulletin, Brenda will be able to give out more details on that.
Thank you so much, Willie Lusige, for that detailed updates, including the interview with affected health workers in Vihiga County.